Good morning, friends. How are you? I hope you all are safe at home. I am Dilsha. I am your new Maths teacher. We are going to study Maths today. Are you all ready? Yes. So, friends, let us start. First of all, I will tell you a story of a girl named Adira. A girl named Adira. You can see her photo in your textbook. So Adira has a habit of collecting money and saving money. Do you have that habit? Sometimes most of you have that habit, right? We will collect money from our father, from our mother, from our brothers, from our sisters, right? And we will save the money. Save the money. Where will we save? We have money saver. We have money saver box. So we will save the money. So Adira has this habit of saving money, and she collected and she saved a lot of money. So a day Adira decided to open the money box. So when she opened the money box, there were many coins. So totally there were 99 coins. But every coin was of 1 rupee. So I will show you 1 rupee. This is a 1 rupee coin. So every 99 coin was of 1 rupee coin. So 1 rupee, likewise 99 1 rupee coin were there. So now you want to imagine this 1 rupee coin is 1 stone. അപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങളെല്ലാവരും ഈ 1 rupee കോയിൻ ഒരു കല്ലായിട്ട് വിചാരിക്കണം. കാരണം ടീച്ചറുടെ കയ്യിൽ 99 കോയിൻ കാണിക്കാൻ എൻ്റെ കയ്യിൽ 1 രൂപയുടെ കോയിൻ ഇല്ല. സോ നിങ്ങളെല്ലാവരും 1 rupee കോയിൻ കല്ലാണെന്ന് വിചാരിക്കണം. ഓക്കെ ആണോ? യെസ്. സോ വി ഹാവ് 1 rupee coin now. So now I am going to show you 99 1 rupee coin. Okay. So friends, I have 99 coins here. So now I am going to divide these 99 coins into groups. Okay? Into groups. So my one group contain 10 coins. So friends, my one group contain 10 coins. I will show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So my one group contain 10 coins. How many groups I have? 1, 2, second group, third group, fourth group, fifth group, sixth group, 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th group. But this group only contains 9 coins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Only 9 coins. Okay? This group contains 10, but this group contains only 9 coins. So Adira's mother decided to give her one more coin. So Adira asked mother, will you give me one more coin? So mother gave one more coin to Adira. So now how much coin here? 10 coins. Every group contain 10 coins now. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. So 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 10, 30. 30 plus 10, 40. 40 plus 10, 50. 50 plus 10, 60. 60 plus 10, 70. 70 plus 10, 80. 80 plus 10, 90. And 90 plus 10, how much? 100. 90 plus 10, how much? 100. So when Adila got one more coin from mother, she got 100 coins. She got 100 coins. Right? So now, isn't it very difficult to carry these coins and going to shop? Isn't it? Yes, we can't go to shop by taking all these coins with us. So we need notes. We need notes of rupees. That is, for example, I have here 50 rupees notes. Okay, so we need notes like this. So now I am going to the shop and I am giving these coins to the shopkeeper and I will get notes instead of that. Okay, I am going to shop and I will give these coins and I will get notes instead of that. Okay. So now I am going to give these 10 rupee coins. These are 10 rupee coins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this 10 rupee coins to the shopkeeper. So I am giving this to shopkeeper. Instead, the shopkeeper will give me 10 rupee notes for that. So I got 10 rupee notes. Now I will give this 10 rupee to the shopkeeper. So then the shopkeeper will give me again a 10 rupee note. Right? Thus, how many 10 rupee notes? How many 10 rupee notes like this will I get if I give all these coins to the shopkeeper? You tell me. How many 10 rupee notes will I get after giving these 10 groups of coins? You tell me, okay? So now I gave 20 coins to him. I gave 10 and 20 coins to him. I gave 20 coins to the shopkeeper. Then how much I will get? I will get a 20 rupee note. I will get a 20 rupee note. Right? Then again I gave 20 coins to him. Then I will get again 20 rupees note. Again I give this 20 rupee coins. Then again I will get 20 rupee note. So is it clear? So how many 20 notes I will get? You tell. How many 20 note I will get? Just think and tell. So now you understood that you will get 5 20 rupee note. You will get 5 20 rupees notes. Now again another method. I gave 50 coins to him. I gave 50 coins. 10 coins, 10 plus 10 20 coins, 20 plus 10 30 coins, 30 plus 10 40 coins and 40 plus 10 50 coins. I gave 50 coins to the shopkeeper. So shopkeeper will give me a note of 50. Shopkeeper will give me a note of 50. Right? So you tell, if I give all these to him, how many 50 rupees notes I will get? You tell me. Okay? Yes. So now you understood that you will get 250 notes. You will get 250 notes. That is, it will become 100. It will become 100. You get it? Yes. So I will tell one more method. Did you see? 5 rupee coin. Yeah, 5 rupee coin. Okay, if I gave these whole 100 rupee coins to the shopkeeper, shopkeeper will give me how much 5 rupee coin? He can give me 25 rupee coin. Isn't it? He can give me 25 rupee coin. That you can see in the screen. Okay? Now you understood that if I give these 100 rupee coins to the shopkeeper, shopkeeper can give me back in different ways. Right? Which are the ways? First one is shopkeeper can give me 250 rupees notes. Second is shopkeeper can give me 520 rupees notes. Third is shopkeeper can give me 25 rupee notes. And fourth is shopkeeper can give me 10 rupees notes. Is it clear? നമ്മൾ 100 രൂപയുടെ കോയിൻ ഷോപ്പ് കീപ്പറിന് കൊടുക്കുമ്പോൾ ഷോപ്പ് കീപ്പറിന് ഏതെല്ലാം രീതിയിൽ നമുക്ക് തിരിച്ചു തരാൻ പറ്റും? ഒന്നാമത്തത് 20 രൂപയുടെ 5 നോട്ടുകൾ. രണ്ടാമത്തത് 5 രൂപയുടെ 20 നാണയങ്ങൾ. മൂന്നാമത്തത് 50 രൂപയുടെ 2 നോട്ടുകൾ. നാലാമത്തത് 10 രൂപയുടെ 10 നോട്ടുകൾ. Is it clear? So there are so many other ways also. Okay? So you tell me. You think and you tell me. Okay? Now there is one more method. I am giving these full coins, these full 100 coins to the shopkeeper. Then shopkeeper can give me a 100 rupee note. Shopkeeper can give me a 100 rupee notes. Okay? So now friends, I have 50 rupees with me. I have 50 rupees. 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. So I am going to give these 50 rupees to the shopkeeper. I am going to give these 50 rupees to the shopkeeper. So now you tell me in how many ways I can get notes from the shopkeeper. You tell me that. Okay? Think